Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have seen motion capture being like a very huge support when it comes to like making VFX and animation movies. Motion capture has always been this like very expensive setup, and not everyone can do that. And later we did get like motion capture suits. Still, it's not as affordable because not everyone can buy it. They were like AI tools where you can just upload your video. It detects your motion in the video and gives you the animation data. I've been seeing like lots of posts on LinkedIn about this new tool called Move.ai, motion capture available on iPhone. So I wanted to try that out and I wanted to show you guys like how well it works. So they have different things called Move 1, Move Pro and Move Lite. Gives like markerless motion capture with like standard cameras. And then Move 1 is what we're gonna try today. That's the iOS app. It's only available for iPhones. It says try for free, but again, it's $15 a month after I don't know how many days. But yeah, it says you can export FBX, USD and MP4. FBX is what we want. I did go to my phone. I downloaded the app, so it's called Move 1. Okay, job title VFX artist. So that's what it says, motion capture with just your phone, no suits required. That's what we want. So only one person can only detect one person at a time. See how the app works first. So place your phone up in a stable position. Okay, hit record, make sure your entire body can be seen in the frame and stand in an A pose. After countdown, perform your motion, review and upload for browse. Check the gallery for updates and animations. Okay, I think I need to move there to like actually record, so I'll show you guys from a different perspective. So guys, I'm just gonna do it here. That's the most plain background I have. I don't have a plain background anywhere else. Let's do 20 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna be in the A pose. I'm wearing black clothes. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but it's okay. Check the gallery for updates to view your animation. Okay, so we'll go back there. So guys, I finished doing the process on the phone. Already uploaded it to the server and it's processing right now. 10-second clip usually take around like 8 minutes to process. So I did like 20 seconds. Takes like 16 minutes to 20 minutes maybe. It's done. We can actually check the data. Oh, wait. That's way better than the Rococo app I tried. I don't see anything except for when I spin my arm. I think the fingers go a little bit weird. Oh, this is so nice. Click share, generate the code for FBX. They basically give you a code. You can put that code and download the FBX here. Okay, I got it. I just opened up Unreal Engine and so I can bring in the animation. And if we play this, so we have the animation. That's really nice, so this is way better. Take that animation and actually retarget it. Any character, bring in, let it be from Mixamo or from Unreal Engine as like a meta-human. Like the level of detail, the motion capture data, that's way good. Or for just like shooting it on iPhone, the best with like the Unreal Engine like face capture. You can actually bring in like expressions and everything with all from your iPhone. It's a really good tool, Move.ai. If you guys want to try it, I'll put the link down in the description, and I'll see you guys with another AI tool or a tutorial. So till then, it's Manish. See you guys. Bye.